We'll guide you through how to download and install the Telegram mobile app. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Telegram is a growing messaging platform. You can go and call on there as well. It's a great way to go and communicate with others, so we're going to guide you through how you can go and get it. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this. To get started, make sure you have a connection to the internet, whether that's through Wi-Fi or mobile data. You need to go and open up your phone store. So here on the Android, I've got the Play Store. On an iPhone, you've got the App Store, etc. So open up your phone store. Wait for it to load, and you need to come to the bottom. I found this to be the quickest way of finding it and press search. Come to the top and click on the search bar, and you want to go and type in Telegram. Go and search for it, and then here it is. And we've got the option for install over to the right. You can also go and tap on it and press install here. Now you can go and wait for the download to complete. It isn't too big of an app. The time this takes will depend upon the speed of your internet. It's now installing, as you can see, and now it says open. What you can do is you can press open there or swipe up, and we can swipe across and go and find it. As you can see, here it is. Just tap on it to open it up. Then what you'll need to do is you'll need to go and log in, or you can go and sign up. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again. Thank you guys.